Arista, show back up here.
Do you guys want to hold on point?
Hey, mine's gonna have a hammer probably.
Our healers over here.
I'm fuck me.
Try to get this Widow.
Hey, Trace is up behind us.
Widow's one on point, Widow's one on point. Anna's one. Ash is one. Widow's one again. Widow and Ash. Kill them. Do I need to bob this? No, we got it. Ah, she got me. I don't know why I got that close to her.
Holy shit, we couldn't kill him. Oh, we did.
I'm gonna try to hold that top position again. They did switch off the Bastion.
Oh, what the fuck?
That bob's nothing. It's a waste, back up. Okay, they gotta pick, We need to be careful. I'm gonna try to bob this.
Damn, that's unlucky.
I'm gonna bob on point. Fuck,
They're gonna have it now.
Alright.
Hey, it's back off.
Yep.
Nice.
We got the Ash.
Thank you.
McCree on the left, I'm flanked. McCree going to the left of the payload. Monkey at top? Never mind. We lost that fight. Back up, all the way. I'm gonna try not to get picked here. Which is not gonna. Oh shit. Who woke him up? Okay, can we contest this? They pushed way up. It's only 3 of them up here, guys.
God, it's Winston.
Wait, where was that? Where is our spawn at?
Not there.
Yeah, I realize that now. Like, I thought I was in spawn, dude. That sucks. Do like 3 to 6 up with that one. Fuck the Winston, dude. I'm gonna switch to Reaper.
Oh wait, that's their spawn. Holy shit, I didn't realize.
Yeah. We got a Reinhardt now, boys. Play behind the shield. Winston up top. Winston one. He's getting killed. Peace, dude, bitch. No more ults. We don't need ults. Get up. Boost too. Alright, now we can use ult. He's one. good. One dead. I got him. Roadhog one. Roadhog's left. Never mind. He's back in full. Anybody know how to play Hanzo?
I'm insane.
Nice Reaper.
Easy.